What's going on, everybody? Arty84 here. We are about 8 hours, give or take, away from our estimated time of departure here for a 10-day long road trip, which is going to bring us to Tennessee, a couple spots there, and Florida. And we're going to be doing a couple days in each town. So I just got home. I got to take a nap. We're leaving at around midnight tonight, Eastern Standard Time. So I got a few more things to do in the Jeep. I'll show you what I get so far. Alright, so we have a nice little command unit over here. We got the CB radio all set up. We're just going to make the final electrical connection, which I need like a foot of wire, which I'm going to have to do. Foot shy, but it's okay. And we have the splitter up here, which will control the CB radio. It will control the GoPro, and it will control the auxiliary USB there we have for extra stuff you need to plug in. As long as the auxiliary USB that's on there, and we have an auxiliary USB on down here as well into the cigarette lighter. So we have plenty of USB power for the car to charge whatever we need. We've got the speaker right there for the CB radio, so we can hear people talking back to us. And we also have the PA system we installed with the speaker in front of the car. I'll show you at train right now, so I'm sure you guys will see it after. And the antenna right there as well. So we're just going to hide the wires along the dashboard here. And then once I get this all wired up, and then I get some nice little wire covered tube stuff that we're gonna finish it off. And then up here I think I'm just gonna wrap the wire with electrical tape. Can't really see it right now. It's not gonna really be a problem till the roof comes off, but I like to take care of that ASAP, so I'm gonna do that. So we're gonna do this real quick, and then we're gonna pack, and I'll probably tune in real quick before as we're packing the car up. And next time I'll see you after that, we'll be on the road. All right, there's the speaker that I installed right there. But I'll show you inside the car. We got everything pretty much packed up here. We're leaving in about 6 hours, 6.5 hours. Nice and packed. We got the cooler there, car seats there, everything you need. Plenty of space here. So, yeah, we're gonna have to make do's. You can kind of see in. We got everything going on in here, and of course we got the where'sarty.com. Check that out. Find me, all that good stuff. But yeah, so we are ready to go. Now we're supposed to be getting some terrible weather coming in. Sorry, it's starting to rain right now, but it looks like it could turn to snow as well tonight. So we're hoping I can kind of path away under the storm. I think I could probably miss it by a little bit. So hopefully even my 12 helps. We'll see. I'm gonna have the GoPro on the dash to videotape some stuff, and then yeah, next time I hear from you guys, we'll be on the road. So stay tuned. Well, it's 2 o'clock in the morning. We are in Connecticut. We're almost in New York. We'll be in New York in probably about a half hour or so. I'm still awake despite everything. Susan, Henry is sleeping. 2 o'clock in the morning. We're almost in New York. We'll be there in a few minutes. Well, a half hour, a few minutes. But it's cold, it's rainy. I think we got away from the snow. So far, so good. Can't complain. So hopefully the rest of the trip goes like this. Knock on wood. Yeah, we're about right there, just past Trumbull, so yeah, we're pretty much close there. So back in the car, here we go. Alright, so we did a little driving. I just took a nap in the back. We tried to go to a mall. That was a disaster. Thought we'd walk around for a while, but the mall wasn't even open. It took us 20 minutes to get out of the car, and we weren't even open. So we got back in the car. Stu drove. I took about an hour and a half nap, so I'm ready to drive again. We have about 3 hours till we get to our first destination. We're stopping to grab some lunch, seeing a friend in Bristol, Tennessee. So yeah, she's in there getting Henry a new diaper, and I'm getting some gas here, and we're gonna go from there. It's being a big boy in the back. He just woke up, had a nice new diaper. He's hanging out with George. And there's Sue.
Hello.
Henry, can you say hi? Can you smile and say hi? We're hanging out in the back seat. Mama's in the front seat. What are we watching? We're watching some cars. Hey, Henry. Henry. No, remember, we don't touch this when we watch the movies? Can you say hi? We finally made it. We're in a hotel. Roman's watching Sesame Street. 13 hours later. Right? 13 hours? He doesn't care. He just wants to watch Sesame Street.
So you ate at Wild Wings before, right?
We ate there, and we ate at the taco place. There's Yeehaw. There's Henry and his new Jeep stroller. We're in Johnson City, Tennessee. There's like a river running through. There's a song about this city that no one likes in this city, I guess, anymore.
It's my hometown.
This is where Susan's appendix came out. Actually, right at this bench right here. No? That's what you said. The old Coke sign. It's retro. Alright, so that summarized day one. It's a little dark, but little man's sleeping right there. It was great. 13 hours down here. We've seen some friends we haven't seen. God, since before the pandemic. And it was nice to see everyone. And we had a good time here in Suzi's hometown. And tomorrow we head down to Knoxville, where we'll see our mom. And we'll explore down there. So thank you guys for watching. Please leave any comments. Let us know if you've ever been down here. And any suggestions of traveling with a 15-month-old. Because we've tried a lot of things today. Some more successful than others. But at the end of the day, you know, you learn from doing. So, but it's crazy how dark it is. But thank you guys for watching, and we'll talk to you guys soon.
All right, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and click the little alarm so whenever you get notification, we get new ones. See you later. Bye.